How do you force restart a MacBook? Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can force restart a MacBook. So without any further ado and without any delay, let us get started with today's video. If you want to force restart a power button, it is actually quite very simple for us to do so. Now, normally, basically, if you have a MacBook, it's not responding, you want to force restart your MacBook using your power button, right? So depending upon your MacBook, now in most MacBooks, right, the Touch ID itself is also the power button. So you have to just long press and hold on this button. In my case, I'm using a Mac Mini. So I have to press and hold the power button on my Mac Mini. But if you're using a MacBook, you'll find a power button which looks like this, which is usually on the top right hand side of your keyboard. When you long press on it until the screen goes blank, you just have to keep on pressing on it, then it will automatically restart your MacBook, macOS, whatever operating system you're using for your Mac. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.